There's a lifetime deal that just came back, and it's only back for Black Friday. So if you need something like this, I definitely recommend that you check it out. It's a Zoom alternative, but it's on a lifetime deal. It's called Sessions, and it's super easy to use. I'm gonna show you how on this video right now. What's up, SaaS Masters? Before we check out Sessions deal, let's go check out the platform so you can decide for yourself if it's the right fit for you or not. Like I said, it's a Zoom alternative, and I believe they have 4 main tools packed into Sessions. Now it's these 3 plus the rooms. Now, how easy is it to launch a meeting? Well, it's actually even faster than doing it in Zoom. Let's just say you want to start a session right away. Well, I'll click on this green button. I have my link right here, and I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna open incognito mode. There we go. Let's go ahead and allow it over here. I'm gonna say my name is MX. I'm gonna join in. Boom, boom. Let me go ahead and mute that. But I'm in the session right now. I'm doing a live session with someone else by just sharing that link right now. That's how easy it is to use Sessions. Now, that's one of the main tools. Obviously, you get a bunch of tools inside of here, like recording. You get participants. You can view them right here. You can start a chat with them. I can say hi. For example, that's gonna say hi, and that should be available over here. Here it is. Here's the hi in the chat. I can also start a poll. So in this case, if I wanna use AI for a poll, I can do so, or just create a poll there. And it could be, depending on the topic, it's gonna give you suggestions and you create the poll. You got questions and answers, notes, takeaways, and transcript. All of this right here. Super easy to get started. Now I'm gonna head on out of here right now. I'm gonna end the session for everyone. I'm gonna go home, but that's how easy it is to start a session. Now, I can also do a scheduled session. So if I wanna do a session with someone that's scheduled with the team members or with a business or with something like that, I can just go ahead and add the information here, the date, time, and the information here. Participants, I can invite them, the agenda, the access, participant permissions, all of this information right there, and schedule the session. And boom, we have a link that we can share. Also, in this deal, it's white labeled, so you can customize the link to use your own domain. You don't have to use Sessions, okay? And then you have the event. In case you want to create an event, you have some members, some community where you want to create an event about something you want to talk about, a new launch, something like that. Well, you can create an event right here. Again, super easy to do it. Now, the 4th tool that I want to show you is the rooms. You can have a meeting room ready to go all the time with a link, okay? So I'm going to create a new room just for this purpose so I can show you. I'm going to say this new open room, okay? And then this is going to be the link. That link is going to be available to start a meeting right away anytime that I want. It's not going to be a new link every single time like it would any new room. This is going to be the same link all the time, okay? I can lock the session. I can record consent, add a description, add an agenda to this, access information. So request a guest email, participants permissions, widgets, automations, recording, etc. And I can create a room, okay? I can go ahead and enter the room or just go back to home. Now let's go into rooms. You can see I have my new room right here. I can grab the link, and this room is always going to be available whenever I want. So right now, if I'm emailing someone and I don't have to go generate a room link, I could just use one of these that's ready to go, okay? And I can decide if they can jump in or if they need to register before jumping in, or if I want to allow them to jump in by my consent. So I'll just say, yes, you can jump in the room or not. So you got all those options here in Sessions. Now, I think Sessions was meant to be user-friendly and easy to use and just get started right away. With all that bunch of tools and options, like where do I get started? It's just super easy to do it. Then you also have the Book Me. If you want to create a booking for the sessions, you can also do so. You can schedule sessions, give them the duration, and share that link for them to book a meeting at a specific time that you decided where you're going to allow them, right? You have your schedules, agendas, you got a form if you want to ask information before you start this new booking. So in this case, by default, it's name, email, and guest. I can add my own fields like asking for phone number, asking where did you find me, whatever I want to use in these forms. Access, participant, permission, etc. All that right there. And then you got your tools over here. I'm gonna discard these changes, go ahead and leave. You got tools where you want to connect, for example, YouTube, form sessions. You can have a video ready to go that you can use on your sessions and all that good stuff. Plus, if you are in an absolute tier 3, you got a lot of options like webhooks and API if you want to go more advanced. Now that's sessions, okay? Now let me show you the deals going on. Like I said, it's a lifetime deal. That means you pay once, use it forever. And the link we provided in the description in case you want to use that link. It helps me out with a small commission and it won't cost you a single cent more. Plus, it comes with a 60-day back guarantee. So if you don't like it, just go ahead and refund it, okay? As friends as always. Now, right now, like I said, it's a Black Friday deal. So once you watch this video, I hope it's still available, but that's the countdown for now. Now, what do we have with these license tiers, okay? License tiers 1, that's $69. It's kind of like the starter plan. It's way more than enough for most people. The difference is the amount of team members in the account, the amount of participants per session, 3 hour per sessions, 90-day memory, and standard analytics plus APIs. So this could be way more than enough. You're good to go. No need to buy something extra. That's good, okay? But if you need more participants, more team members, more session hours, unlimited memory, standard analytics, AI Copilot, and 3 events per month, that's for the events, then jump into license tier 2. For me, the sweet spot is license tier 3. That's what I have. And it gives me unlimited sessions, 50 team members, 150 participants per month. I wish I can get all those participants into one session. So I think it's way more than enough for me. 12 hours per session, unlimited memory, and all that good stuff. And I get sent 6 events per month. I don't do many events, but if I do, I have 6 events per month with this deal. Plus I get webhooks with this, okay? There's also license tier 5, which gives you more options, and you get HubSpot and Zapier integration. So if that's something that you need, I recommend grabbing that one. But with webhooks, you could probably do anything that you can with these, okay? So don't worry about this. Don't get carried away with that. But if you need more participants, unlimited team members accounts, etc., then license tier 5 would be the way to go. But if not, I think sweet spot is license tier 3. So if you want to grab it, link will be provided in the description. And that's a wrap for sessions.